Hey there, welcome to this exciting dive into the world of stem cell therapy. Today, I'm going to take you on a journey through the miracles of modern medicine, focusing on stem cells. So, what exactly are stem cells? Stem cells are the body's raw materials. These unspecialized cells have the remarkable ability to develop into many different cell types in the body, from muscle cells to brain cells. Think of them as the body's own repair system. When a stem cell divides, it can either remain a stem cell or become another type of cell with a more specialized function. Now, let's talk about the different types of stem cell therapy. There are mainly two types, autologous and allogeneic. In autologous stem cell therapy, the stem cells come from your own body. This means fewer chances of rejection since your body recognizes its own cells. On the other hand, allogeneic stem cell therapy uses stem cells from a donor. This type can be beneficial when your own cells are unhealthy or damaged. But how effective is stem cell therapy? Let me share some real-life success stories. Meet John, a 45-year-old who suffered from debilitating arthritis. After undergoing autologous stem cell therapy, John experienced significant pain relief and improved joint function. Then there's Maria, who had severe heart disease. Stem cell therapy gave her a new lease on life by repairing damaged heart tissue. The benefits of stem cell therapy are vast. From treating chronic conditions like arthritis and heart disease, to potential uses in curing neurodegenerative disorders like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's, the possibilities are truly groundbreaking. It's not just about curing diseases. Stem cell therapy also offers hope for regenerative medicine. Imagine a future where damaged tissues and organs could be replaced with new, healthy cells. Speaking of the future, the field of regenerative medicine is advancing rapidly. Scientists are exploring innovative ways to use stem cells to repair or replace damaged tissues, potentially eliminating the need for organ transplants. Furthermore, advances in gene editing technologies could enhance the effectiveness of stem cell therapies even more. Stem cell therapy is not just a scientific breakthrough, it's a beacon of hope for many. If you're considering this therapy, always consult with your healthcare provider to understand the risks and benefits fully. Remember, the journey towards better health starts with informed decisions. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the wonders of stem cell therapy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit from this information. Stay healthy and see you next time.